the argument whether emo or goth is better. I'm glad you guys are here for our car channel. Let's get right to the ladies. My dear, what is your name? What's your Instagram?
Hi, my name is Aniva. My Instagram is Rostaniva. Nice to meet you.
Which metal, goth or emo?
Metal.
Perfect answer. My dear, what's your name? What's your Instagram?
Tasha.
Why did you step back? I am vaccinated.
You're so close.
Okay. Keep going. What's your Instagram?
T Lily White.
Okay. Well, that was a whole lot. All right. Good talk. This has been fun. All right, my dear. What's your name? What's your Instagram?
I'm Riley. My Instagram is @RileyAtkins.
See how Riley? She gets close to us. Yeah. Thank you, Riley. No. Well done. All right. And my dear, what's your name? What's your Instagram?
Hi, my name is Trinity, and my Instagram is.
Great. Thanks. I don't know how you want to type out laughing an emoji, but that's our Instagram. All right, guys, we're going to walk around here and Import Face Off. We're going to check out all of our amazing cars and our 3 out of 4 awesome models. Let's take a walk. All right, so yes, Datsun. Okay, so the company before Nissan, but the power plant on this thing is nitrous fed LXS. I can't even talk. LSX. You know, it doesn't matter. Just look. Just look at this thing. All right, let's scoot to the inside. The inside of the operation. That's where I want to be when the world ends. Let's go. There's nothing I can think of off the top of my head. McLaren, Pagani, R34 Skyline, Tesla Plaid that I would rather be in than behind this just amalgamation of Corvette and sex. There's no point in me saying anything. We're just gonna look. Let's see what the crowd does. All right, so we're coming for this. We're gonna shift, boom, from purple to kind of a chromium liquid, you know, like the Terminator T1000. This thing's like liquid metal, an auto cycle, motorcycle, automobile, nope, auto cycle. I see a lot of sparkly vinyl wraps. A lot of them. Vinyl wraps, a color shift, do all that. This is paint. Like paint. I want to show you the pillars, but they're closed. Here's something just delicious. Carbon fiber hood. He painted it. All right, guys, so with this, when you get these wraps and the paint done, I want to show you something that is a big deal to us judges. We look at this. A lot of the aftermarket paint jobs and the wraps, they'll stop here. Some other good ones, they'll go to about here. But the ones that go all the way in, even on the pillar, in the bends of the pillar, that's huge because that's extra time and detail. That's another day of painting when they put this in. Like, that's cool. I love to see that. That's something that judges will look for. So when you go that extra mile, I want you guys to know we noticed that.
So I had a 12-year-old, 10-year-old, 5-3. He was supposed to get some more. He said he was going to hand them out. But Cliff never got him.
If I rest the beat, not singing, it's sexy, good, you good.
The Challenger, I like this kind of, I'm not going to call it urban camo. It's more of just shapes, but it is cool. But I like there's a textured hexagon, I should know how to speak, honeycomb theme in there. I like that. Attention to detail. Great job.
Let's hear you guys together, all right? Let's hear it. Count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
I'm just showing you guys this in case you're having a bad day. Now your day is much better. All right, happy puppy. So this is what a Charger looks like. Cool, scat pack. And if you said, you know what, I need my grill 70 times bigger, there you go. It's like when the big mouth bass comes out of the water. Here's a Natasha Challenger. We don't see Natasha Challengers. We see them on Nissans and Toyotas, but not on the Challenger. And I love this is becoming more popular. Initially, not a whole lot going on, but that depth of paint that's on those cobalt and white wheels is pretty. I want to give you props.
Look how life is.
I'm telling you, when Audi made this Nardo Battleship Gray popular, they did an excellent job of it. But, oh, electric lime, please, yes. The color of a beautifully fresh opened bottle of champagne. This is a wrap on this Skyline, and it's kind of a satin, and it works so well with this car. But then when the hood's open and you get to see the continuation of kind of that bluish purple theme, it works even better.
You're good.
All right, I like to go where the people are. And behind this crowd is an RX-7 that is in very strong contention for best Mazda today. Here we have another Natasha car. But this one's done with Inuyasha. Hey, all my guys that grew up with anime, there you go. All right, I'm really drawn to this hatch. I love minimalism. There's something about minimalism as artwork that I'm always drawn to. And of course, I would argue till my dying day, which is thousands of years from now, that you can absolutely have artwork when it comes to cars. And this car is just Honda minimalism done beautifully. And we just had that beautiful white Honda, and now we have a similar version of it done in blue.
It's just horrible, but...
Oh my God! So somewhere behind me, somewhere behind me is best stance today. And we just have to figure out if we want more tuck with perfect fenders or more fitment. So which do you prefer? Do you like the tuck with fenders that are flawless or almost flawless? Or do you like more of the fitment style where just that lip is right over it, but the fenders could use maybe some tender loving care? Ooh, I don't know if this is a matte or a satin. It's kind of in between. I forget the name of the one that's in between. This vet, and I gotta tell you, okay, yeah, the vet draws your attention. But the other purple vet amalgamation we started with is just nuts. But this display, this looks like a more educated Slinky, but it goes so perfect with this vet.
All right, let's hear it. Get that beat going.
Okay, checking out our BK2 Genesis. A lot of carbon fiber on this. This is cool. And look, I'm a dog guy. I see back here a Corgi sticker, which fantastic, extra points. Good on you. And also, oh, we got Corgi shift. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, best in show. Everybody else go home. Looking for maybe some, no Corgi stuff back here. Veloster, man. The Korean game continues to be upped. Every car show season, there's a lot of carbon fiber on this car. I want to make sure the sun isn't lens flaring out all the attention that has been put into this Veloster. The Nardo, great, beautiful. Looks like maybe he's won some races against Darth Vader. Okay, glad you got him at least once. Beautiful top. Let's take a look around the back. I got a feeling in a car like this, with all this attention, carbon fiber fender here. Yep, I knew it would be. Oh, and look, the Louis Vuitton. Okay, great touch. Nope. Oh! NSX. Well done. I believe there's another red NSX we're going to see today. Going to have to decide which one might take home a trophy. All right, here's another cool example of a car where you just walking by, you may not notice all that much, but then you start to notice like little attentions, like how the wheel well is meant to match kind of the cool theme of the car. It's the burgundy with the carbon fiber. It's simple, but it's well done and definitely belongs at a car show. S2K? It's too loud. That's funny. Lexus, the IS, the Altezza. And it's like, oh, look at that. Got the boost on that. I dig it, man. All right, so take the car we just looked at and extend it. Again, I'm really becoming more and more partial to wagons. I dig it. And I wonder if this guy is going to bring his boost game as well. And yes.
Another VQ. Let's do it, bud.
The Nissan Pulsar. Just a fun little hatch by Nissan. They should make another one of these. We got a whole lot going on here, so let's just take a look and appreciate. Hey, it's another hatch. This car went from being one of the most stolen in America to the one of the most freaking sought after because they're just going up in value. And that's the accessory we always love to see.
But oh my god! Holy crap!
At first, I thought car's super filthy, and then it got closer when it was coming through the gate. I'm like, he brought that muddy Audi. No, it's cool. It's intentionally done that way on the wrap, and I like that. And hello. Ooh, this thing is pretty. Not the dude who's just haphazardly walking by, but this Evo's super pretty. And I'll tell you one thing. I'd like to get him closer, but there's a whole big crowd of people, and just you know what? Let's get in the interior. Screw it. I'll make my way through this crowd. Just clean. Just clean.
All right. I feel like you're beatboxing a rhythm to that in your...
All right, here's the other NSX I was talking about. This is the second red one. And I don't want to give anything away, but man, if you need extra points, boom. That's how instant winner. Love it. Okay, so what comes into your mind when I say Toyota Tercel? Like, what pops into your brain? Is it, oh my God, how? Probably not. But that's a lot of people to be around a Tercel, and let's figure out why. Oh, you cheeky, sneaky, boosty boy. Skyline. When you're playing Forza and you unlock a Skyline, and then when you beat the next boss, you get to unlock that skin for your Skyline. Another Skyline, beautiful blue. That's kind of a deep sea blue on that. Ooh. This is the coolest, most raucous piece of metal and mustard I have seen in quite some time. All right, big old crowd of people. We got the two-step going on here at Baytown, Texas. Make sure to check out the two-step episode here. And I got a competitor who's probably not going to be in the two-step today. So a little life pro tip for you for my show car contestants. See, hood open, hood open. Oh, hood closed. Oh, if you guys are competing in a show car, have that hood open. Even if there's nothing done, we do like to take a look and see how clean it is, kind of, etc. And we can't give you points if we can't see anything. That's all I have to say. That's cool. So that's the new thing, right? Everybody says when you dress yourself, you're supposed to have drip. Okay, this is cute. This is funny. I like the little pairing. But it's the attention to detail. Like, okay, white BMW, and we have the MG red line written on there. And that makes it hilarious. Oh, that color. That's just, mwah, chef's kiss. Let's check out where the people are. I think that's an Integra. We've got a DCM. Yeah, there's an Integra hiding back there. Let's take a look. Oh, kind of like a Jamaican themed. Cool. Yes, you did. And on pretty much every vehicle, especially luxury vehicles, black wheels on a black car that's just slick will always look good. All right, so we have this car that's too Seek, and this car that's so Seek.
Dough with the 240 SX.
Hey, I'm back after one of our models learned how to film properly. No, it's cool.
Sorry.
You say you're Riley Atkins, so it's like at Riley Atkins, or Atkins like the diet?
ADKINS.
Oh, so you're like, all right, so, okay. So you're like carb free. That's in your name. All right, guys, we appreciate each and every one of you. And that Datsun won Best in Show. How freaking cool. It was close, but absolutely deserved it. And we'll see you guys in the next episode.